Hey everyone, hey NailTubers. So Yoko showed up on time for her appointment today, and we're going to be doing both hands for her. I'm going to be using regular polish as this is part of that Bougie Nails on a Budget series where I'm using regular polish so that I can stay up on my skills with that. So for this, I started out using LA Colors Hypno in an aqua color and LA Colors Metal in a darker blue, but you'll see eventually that I decide to change colors. So let's get started. So you'll find this to be a very easy set, as each nail is going to be painted a solid color and the ring finger will be an accent nail. For me, this is all about polishing practice with very minimal correction as possible. This aqua color Hypno is from the same collection as the nails that I did in my very first tutorial. In fact, it's the nails that I had on in my very first video on this channel from when I did the Amazon haul. I'll have a link in my description box. Also, I did the tutorial on those nails right after, and I'll have that included as well. This is a dollar store polish, and y'all know in my, what's that, throwback video haul, I have so many dollar store polishes. And let me tell you, there's a lot that I like about it, especially these. These go on very smoothly. Oh, and this is me showing that I was getting that thumbnail done. So anyway, yeah, this polish goes on so smooth, and because it's a pearlesque shimmer polish, it dries so very quickly, so there's not a lot of waiting time. So here I decided to go in with the darker blue color, which is the metallic polish. And even the handle of the brush shows that the blue matches the lighter color. But I eventually decided to change it because I felt it was much too dark. More importantly, I'm still focused on my polishing skills. So what do you guys think? By the way, this particular video was left in real time through its entirety. As I continue to polish, I'm looking at the dark blue and I'm not feeling it. It was actually pretty difficult to show doing the thumbnail for the amount of space that I have to work within to get it within frame. But so far, I think the polishing looks pretty good. From here, I decided to spice up the nails using embellishments for a change, so you'll see me add a few things from some of my nail haul videos. My thought was to keep this set simple and chic. And while that 3D ornament does look great on that dark blue nail, to me it looked rather bulky. But I continued working because I wanted to see how well it might still coordinate with the rest of them. One thing I don't want to forget to mention is the difference between adding embellishments to gel polish versus regular polish. With gel polish, you have time to play with placement before curing. You don't have that with regular polish. Therefore, you really have to have your mind made up and know where you're going to precisely place your embellishment, because a lot of fidgeting around can cause damage to the foundation you laid with your polish. So as you can see here, I'm being very precautious how much moving I'm doing to straighten out that gold bar. I spotted a different polish to use here. So here we go. Here comes the change. Unfortunately, the camera is not really doing that lighter blue any justice. The reason why I use the gold bars is because that lighter blue actually has a gold tinge to it, and I have something perfect to go with it. This is one of the reasons why one of my loving nail sisters, loved by Verdi Nails, always lists what she uses at the end, because we often have a tendency to change our minds, now don't we? Make sure you check her channel out as well. She has some awesome nail designs and she does great tutorials. Also an inexpensive nail polish that I've had for quite some time. LA Colors Liquid Chrome in Gold, y'all. Now tell me, what do you think? Not that that dark blue was bad or anything like that, but does this not go better in this set, especially with the gold embellishments? Oh my gosh. Sometimes we just need this, now don't we? Something so simple to do, yet the finished product looks salon quality. I'm really liking these. So while I'm finishing up this set, let me share a little story time with you. Got out of a recent meeting at work, and while driving home, I noticed the front door of a local nail shop open. Now you guys know that's significant, right? Because everything's been on shutdown. But when I saw that open door, I'm like, pull over, pull over. You know, I typically don't go to these nail shops because obviously I do my own, but it's becoming more and more difficult for me to do my own pedicures. So I walk in, and fortunately, there was a gentleman available to do a pedicure for me right away. Don't you know, I hopped in that pedicure chair. I threw my feet in that warm water and it felt so good. I wouldn't let him touch my feet for a while. I just needed to soak and relax. Not only that, I needed my feet done in a terrible way. Haven't we all? So I included a short clip of that at the end of this video. I hope you like it. When I did the nail haul and I opened the packaging with these gold bars, they are metal. So when you do your top coat, you definitely want to polish over them so that they don't become discolored. You know what else I'm happy about? 2 videos. Since I've been back, I am always happy to have time with you because I actually started feeling bad. No, for real. It started getting to me to promise that I had more to come. So thank you to all my nail sisters who have been supporting me through this while I've been busy with work. You being here means so much to me. And most of all, thank you to all of you who have been visiting my channel and especially all the new subscribers. I am so blessed and I look forward to spending time with you again in my next video. Much love. Okay, y'all, so I just decided to throw this little snippet in because right now I am just in a total mood. I am so happy. I'm feeling relieved. I'm feeling good. I just got out of a meeting from work and spontaneously was driving past a place and decided to just walk in because, y'all, I was really needing this badly. I got my feet done, y'all. I got my feet done. No more COVID-19 toenails. I decided to go with that bright orange. Yes. Yes. Now I'm going to have to do some nails. Got to do a set to match. I just wanted to share that with you guys. Kind of like a super duper mini vlog snippet. Okay, guys. I'm so happy.